Hi, this is Sheldon here from the Currency Advisory Desk with today's report. Well, the US dollar index is at 80.87, which is down by 0.12 percentage points. Now, we have the winter session of Parliament starting today, and the main focus will be on the retail FDI issue. Even though IKEA has got clearance from FIPB to invest around 10,500 crores, it's still pending an approval from CCEA. We do not expect any move on multi-brand retailing to go through in this session. We expect further weakening in the Indian rupee versus the US dollar. We have seen the dollar taking a sharp support of 55 for the past 3 closing sessions. We maintain our buy positions on the dollar rupee pair and would advise our traders to enter into fresh positions if it breaks 55, probably with a stop loss of around 54.85 levels. The US markets are closed today for Thanksgiving, and the euro still unable to break the resistance of 1.29 against the US dollar, and a ceasefire between Israel and Gaza Hamas rulers, coupled with the expected better than expected US unemployment claims, which came in at 410,000 versus an earlier reported 451,000, helped the euro to hit an intra-month high of around 1.2844 against the US dollar. The European leaders are headed for an all-important summit at Brussels later today. The 2-day European Union summit, which will focus on the bloc's spending budget, will be closely tracked by markets worldwide. Any positive development from the summit will be met with great cheer, and we will witness a breakout in the euro-dollar pair above the 1.29 crucial resistance what it's facing right now. Along with this, we have the French and German PMI numbers coming in today. Markets are expected to be very volatile for these 2 days. Traders can buy the euro-rupee pair at around 70.75 levels. Looking at China, well, China's HSBC flash PMI came in at a 13-month high of 50.40. Analysts are already talking about China having escaped risks of a hard landing in their economy. However, we feel it's a bit too early to establish a rebound, and if positive number flow continues for another quarter or so, then indeed we will be seeing growth accelerate in Asia and the remaining Southeast Asia region. We will witness a run-up in risk assets like the euro, the pound, and developing economies, along with silver, if good news continues to flow from China. The pound has moved up higher to around 1.2846 against the dollar on the back of minutes released by Bank of England stating that they may favour an increase in the asset purchase program to around 400 billion pounds. And also they state that they will keep the interest rates unchanged at 0.50%. Now we expect the pound rupee pair to follow this momentum and move upwards to around 88.50 levels in the short term. And the yen has weakened further against the US dollar and is currently trading at 82.48 against the dollar. We expect the yen to weaken further to around 83 against the dollar. Now, the ongoing political situation in Japan, coupled with the growing Chinese dispute, the Southeast Asia Sea dispute that they have, adds more pressure on the yen. Let's wrap up with the technicals for today. Well, the dollar rupee has a strong support at around 54.62 and a resistance at around 55.19. The euro rupee has a strong support at around 70.25 in the spot market and a resistance at around 70.80. The pound rupee has a very strong support at around 87.50 in the spot market and a resistance at around 88.31. And the Japanese yen has a very strong support at around 66.29 and a resistance at around 67.50 against the rupee in the spot market. Well, that's it for today. Thank you.